What is the encryption password for EasyViz cameras? The video or picture is encrypted for security purposes. We need to input the encryption password to view it. The default password is the verification code. There are usually two ways to get the 6 capital letters device code. You can find it on the device label of the EasyViz cameras. Alternatively, if you have set up the device via the same mobile terminal, you can also find it in camera settings. About. Device QR code. Or, in camera settings, device information on EasyViz mobile app. If you have changed the encryption password, make sure the password you input is correct, and does not contain any unnecessary spaces. If you forgot the correct encryption password, you may tap decrypt by other methods. Email or SMS. To retrieve it. Alternatively, you may reset your camera by holding the reset button.
Reset successfully.
And the password would be defaulted to the original device verification code. For additional assistance, feel free to contact support team by emailing at support@isvizlife.com. Our team love to help.